Hi, my name is John Otero. I'm Director of Restoration Products for Dri Eaz and Legend Brands. Today we're going to be discussing the advantages of using the DryTech 4000i desiccant dehumidifier from Dri Eaz.
When you're faced with cool temperatures or dense materials, nothing beats the efficiency and power of a desiccant dehumidifier. The extremely dry air that desiccants produce make them a valuable component of any drying system. Why use a desiccant? Because desiccants can produce such low relative humidity. They are ideal for pulling bound water out of materials like hardwood floors, plaster, brick, and concrete. They can also dry down construction assemblies like walls, stairs, and cabinetry. Desiccants also offer excellent cold temperature performance. Desiccants easily outperform refrigerant dehumidifiers in lower temperatures. That's because LGR refrigerant dehumidifiers begin to freeze up and can no longer remove water efficiently in cold temperatures. But desiccants continue to remove moisture even in freezing temperatures and as low as 34 GPP. Desiccants are also excellent for use in cold environments such as crawl spaces that cannot be easily heated. One special feature for the DryTech is that you can reset the job hours. In addition, you can also be informed of the inlet and outlet temperature and relative humidity of the DryTech unit and what the readings are for the reactivation air. It can also inform you how many amps are currently being used. And one special feature that is not found on other desiccant units is a built-in customizable humidistat, where you can set the humidistat from 5% relative humidity all the way up to 60% relative humidity. Another special feature for the DryTech 4000i is you can change the display from English to Spanish, German, and French. The DryTech 4000i features a rugged steel case that comes with a 7-year warranty on the housing, a 2-year warranty on the desiccant rotor, and 1-year parts and labor. It also comes with an onboard storage compartment for accessories. The unit is a third smaller than the closest competitor and is easy to maneuver on semi-pneumatic wheels. The 4000i is easy to transport, deploy, and store.